Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole here from A Pretty Charmed Life. In today's video, I have an unboxing that I am like really excited to do. So this is part of OHM Beads BBQ Big Bead Quarterlies, and I've been buying them. I actually know what this bead looks like because I had reviewed it for Beads and Coffee and got to play with it for a while, actually just sending that one back to HQ, and now I get to have my very own. And I get to see the unboxing experience because when we review for Beads and Coffee, this is missing. And let's just take a look at this really quick. Sorry that there's a glare. There's plastic on here, but do you see that little bear? It comes with a little bear. Presley's not here, you guys. She's camping this weekend, so she would love to open this with me. I wish I was patient enough to wait for her, but she'll be able to keep that bear afterwards. So anyway, Big Bead Quarterlies, they're exciting. I still blame Angie from Daily Charm Addict for getting me like on the bandwagon of buying them, because even though I bought one like even before, but whatever, she still takes the blame. Angie made me do it. So let's go ahead and open this. So if we see at the top, you got this little thing taped shut with this little OHM sticker. Let me take that off. It's cute. Stick it here. And then, okay, all right. So what do we have going on here? By the way, if you plan on getting Hug Me 2.0 and you do not want to see this, I will not be offended if you stop watching, because I would want to avoid seeing what this match. Oh my goodness. Oh, are you kidding me? Okay, so if anybody knows what Hug Me 2.0 is, he's a very beat up, stitched up bear. And look, you have like a little sewing kit that comes with this. Oh my goodness. Can we just open this really quick? Let's open, because cute little thread cutting scissors, needles, and the tiniest spools of thread. That is cute. There's a red one, a yellow one, anything purple. Kind of purple? Mauve. How adorable. Okay, that's cute. Or in the event, I guess, your little bear gets beat up, then you can sew him back together. Oh, okay. What else is in here? Just the Hug Me 2.0 card. And then we have the bear. I don't really understand what's happening. I don't know where the bead is. Is the bead in the bear? I'm so confused. Is the bead in the bear? Like, this is stitched. Did I not get a bear? Okay, I do think it's in the bear because there was something, I tried not to read reviews, but like I read something that insinuated something like that, but I don't feel it anywhere. Oh wait, he is in here. Am I supposed to cut him open? Is that what I'm supposed to do? I like am really embarrassed that I'm on camera right now trying to figure this out. I don't want to cut him open. He's so sweet. Okay, maybe I'm glad Presley's not here because she would be devastated. What do I do? Okay, it's in there for sure. And so I'm going to, that explains this. I'm gonna perform a little bit of surgery on this little bear. Oh, that came off easily. I don't really know what I'm doing, you guys. Somebody tell me. I hope OHM doesn't watch this and they're like, what in the heck was she doing? Okay, I need to cut like this knot, I think. Sorry, I keep moving the camera too. This is a little bit more work than I anticipated. little scissors do work. And how do I get this? Do they now just, oh my gosh, can you guys tell I don't know what I'm doing? Let me get one of these needles to help me out, actually. Okay, I don't even know how to take that off. So, cut off an edge. I do not know how to unthread something. Do I just cut all of the... I can't even get these little needles out, you guys. I am like really impressed right now, not with myself because I'm still struggling, but with OHM Beads and their creativity. This is like something special for sure. I am so glad I decided to film the unboxing. It's like ideally not my favorite. I don't like to film in the evening, so it's not my ideal time to film, but I, yeah, was excited. So while I'm doing this, you guys may have seen in my recent posts on Instagram that I was wearing Wings of Protection. That is another one of the BBQs that I just sent back as well that I was looking at. I have Stoplight. That was my first one I bought in the summer, earlier this year, last year, I don't know. Time kind of just all, you know, blends together, especially during all this stay-at-home time. Which, by the way, I've done way too much shopping, but I guess that's okay. Saving money in other areas and making sure that the economy keeps going by buying beads. Okay, I'm getting there. I am so getting there. I am sorry if this is so boring. If I wasn't yapping through this whole thing, I probably would have fast forward. I hope this is like, watch the, okay, just making sure that this is what I'm supposed to be doing. What other BBQs? Okay, you guys saw that I did Big Luna, which, oh my gosh, that is like, that's a keepsake for sure. I feel like someone asked me, like, you can actually wear it as a bead or you can use it as home decor. It would definitely not be worn as a bead for me. Like, I would absolutely do the home decor and pendant. So I need to put it out on display. I think I'm gonna put it on display either on my little OHM frame thing that I have going on or with my crystals and my moon lamps. I have another BBQ coming too, but I don't think I'm going to reveal what it is yet because I'm really excited about it. And it did, like, there was something about it that I didn't know was a thing. So can't wait to share that with you all. We're getting there. Maybe I'll stop talking so we could do the rest of this in like fast speed. I mean, what do I do at this point? Do I just cut it? I'm not getting very far. Okay. We are going to cut these strings, I think. Oh yeah, there's the hole. How am I gonna sew this back together? I'm sure I could figure it out. Angie or Emily can help me since they're like really good with sewing. Okay, definitely almost just dropped the camera, so. not gonna go any further. I feel it. I feel it. Maybe it'll be helpful if I stop knocking the camera over. Sorry, little bear. All right. So, Hug Me 2.0 is going to be in here. I'm so excited. Ugh. There he is. I love him. Love him. Love him. Love him. I already know what he looks like, but this one's mine. So I gotta look at it. And you maybe have not seen it, so we will take our time. So the original Hug Me is a small version of a little bear, and he's not as beat up. I don't think he's beat up at all. Maybe he has a little bit of beat upness to him. And then if you guys are subscribing to Bead Mail, or you see what's going on with Bead Mail number 2 was a backstory of the little Hug Me. He was in a ninja suit with ninja swords and ninja star. He's adorable. And this is the Hug Me 2.0 version. But there's a story as to why he's so beat up, and it's really cool. Okay, there we go. Here's my next BBQ. Let me know what you guys think of this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bead. And what else do I want to say about this? What did you think of that packaging? Oh my goodness. OHM Beads, you've outdone yourself. That was so creative. Presley's going to be so excited with this stuffy once they figure out how to sew it back together. And yeah, comment below. Let me know your thoughts. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you. Thank you all so much for watching. See you all next time.